Demand and demand curves. The function in the demand curve. The amount of the goods the consumer buys always depends on the price of the good, the prices of the other goods, the consumer's income, and her taste and choices. The demand function of a consumer shows the amount of goods that the consumer chooses in accordance with different price levels when other factors remain unchanged. Substitution effect, law of demand, linear demand and normal, inferior and complementary goods. When the consumer intends to adjust in buying the bundles that she bought before the price change is called the substitution effect. Here, due to price change and the income of the consumer, as adjusted than before, the optimal quantity of the goods also changes. The law of demand describes that the consumer's demand always inversely related with the price of good. A linear demand curve can measure the rate at which the demand alters by the unit price change of the goods. The normal good follows the general rule that the quantity of the goods changes in direct way by the effect of income changes of the consumer. But for the inferior goods, the consumer tries to choose less when her income level increases. The complementary goods are related with each other in a way that one's price increase reduces the demand of other. But the substitutes goods follows the opposite rule. Shifts in the demand curve and the movements along the demand curve. The increase in price of a substitute good, the demand curve moves towards right direction. But for the complementary good, the demand curve shifts leftward. As long as the demand curve is a graphical representation of the demand function due to any change in price, we can see the movements along the demand curve.
For more such videos, download the iPrep app now.